It's Bonnie. Happy Monday! I am back. Check it out. I am reviewing the Yankee Candle Marshmallow Eggnog Candle, and check it out. I got some eggnog. Oh my goodness, you guys. If you want a really good eggnog, this is the Chobani Oatmilk Eggnog. This stuff is so good. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free. I want a candle that tastes like this. It's so good. I can't believe how good that is. So, oh, by the way, a lot of people are asking where Greg is. I don't know where Greg is. I've been watching Barry Williams on Dancing with the Stars. I can't find Greg at the moment. I've got a big mess behind me. I did find the tiki though. Oh, poor Greg. So, yeah, we don't know what happened to Greg. I do know what happened to my Yankee candle haul. I did find that. I'm gonna have some more eggnog. This is really good, you guys. I mean, really good. So, I did a small haul at Yankee the other day because I really wanted to get the Marshmallow Eggnog candle. Now, I got a story here. So, years ago, I want to say like 10 years ago, I had the most amazing eggnog candle from Yankee. I don't remember what it looked like. I swear I don't remember getting rid of it. It had about 3/4 left because I didn't want to burn it too much because I loved it so much. It smelled actually kind of like this. It was just eggnog, and it was like wonderful, and I have no idea what happened to that candle. So this year, Yankee gave us marshmallow eggnog. Why does every company want to put something else in their eggnog? This is white marshmallow, brandy, whipped topping, nutmeg, milk, sugar, and vanilla. And it's funny, when I first smelled this, I actually thought it smelled like perfume. I didn't like it cold at all. I was like, oh my gosh, this is just really off to me cold. I burned it last night, and I liked it. I'll have to say, it smells better burning than it does cold, but it is not very strong. I gotta say, I want to say this is probably a 6 in terms of throw, which is unfortunate because the scent is actually not bad. I do get a little bit of the marshmallow, the brandy, the vanilla. I don't get eggnog though. I mean, it's not like it's an eggnog candle. It's more of a marshmallow vanilla brandy candle. That's what I would call this one. So, it's a nice holiday candle. If you're burning it in like a small bathroom, or you just want an ambience with like a tiny bit of fragrance, maybe if you're having people over and you don't want a strong scented candle going, you might want to try it. But it's nothing to write home about. I'm not super impressed. It's not eggnog. In my haul, I also got the Mary Sparkling Cinnamon. I thought the jar was really pretty. Oh my gosh. This one smells really good cold. I don't know what it's going to be like burning. Now I'm getting hiccups. I'm like hiccuping from my eggnog. That's not a good thing to have when you're on camera. I can stop hiccuping. But anyway, beautiful red wax. It smells exactly like cinnamon. I'll try this one out. I think that's going to be a good one. And then I also got this like tiny one as a gift from Yankee. It's the Shimmering Christmas Tree. I like this one. I've had this one before from Yankee. These are cute. I like these tiny little ones. This smells amazing. It really does smell exactly like a Christmas tree. I love it. So that's a good one. This year, sometimes it's hard to tell on the site what's new. I think Holiday Zest is new. Sparkling Winterberry, Holiday Cheer, Snowflake Kisses, that came back. That wasn't too bad. I think Holiday Cheer might be new. What is that one? That one is the cardamom. Oh, licorice. What? Licorice. I gotta get that one. That's definitely new. I didn't know that was licorice. Pepper, orchid plum, blackberry wine, amber, vanilla, sugar, tonka bean. Boy, there's a lot of stuff in this one. I'm just looking at the reviews. Not a good scent for me. Another person said smells fantastic. I don't know. I gotta check it out. Is it really like a Christmas licorice? I don't know. I gotta check that out. That's really interesting. I'll bring out a couple Yankees this year. I really like Yankee at the holidays. So I'll have to pick some of my favorites. I'll probably go to the store. I like to get like the tea lights and the votives. They sent me a huge Halloween package that was wonderful. But marshmallow eggnog, I'm not super thrilled about. It's just not strong enough, and it's not enough eggnog. So I think I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy my real eggnog. This is so good. Oh my gosh. Anyway, thank you as always for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.